accept hood. 4 whips, wax on, wax off.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie with another video, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff. So if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I didn't grow up wanting to be a barber, right? So I had no beginner practices of cutting my own hair. Now that we see that my hair is kind of getting crazy, I'm going to cut it down. I'm not going bald, but I am going to cut it down, right? And you all are going to be here to witness this first time cutting my own hair. Now, I done it bald and all that stuff. I've never cut my own hair. So, let's see how it turned out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay it down. I'm not going to cut this part right here. I'm going to lay down the sides that kind of match it and taper the sides out a little bit. It's going to be tricky for me because I can't see without my glasses. But to get in certain areas, I'm going to need to take my glasses off. I wish this camera had like a wider grasp, a wider lens, but I don't. So I just got to be here. This is as far as I can go, right? Anyway, let's start by combing everything down. Go with the one guard open, lay it down. So the reason I'm going against the grain is I have a few spots that's a little uneven, so if I go against it, it can help it be a little bit more even while I'm cutting, all right? I need one of them what's the three-way mirror called? I need one of them, the cutting system. And cut with my left hand, I am terrible. Cut living, right? this side up a little bit higher. I don't want to dig into it too much though. You hear me? Alright, I'm not gonna line up the front. I already don't have too much up front. But as far as the first time ever cutting my hair, nice little taper. Beard right in here. I am gonna get somebody to kind of hit them curves for me. But for the most part, you know, first time ever cutting my hair. I've been a barber for 10 years and I've never cut my own hair. Besides like a bald head. So, you know, we're gonna do this another time and we're gonna see how much better I can get over time of actually trying to cut my own hair. Now that I'm letting it grow and trying out different stuff, we're gonna see what happens, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike if you dislike. Because we see some dark spots. But we're gonna get it. We in there somewhat. I'm telling you, it's terrible because I can't see without my, like I'm terrible without my glasses. So trying to get that taper, like this side looks a lot better than this side. You get what I'm saying? But I can't get in there without my glasses on, so maybe it ain't for everybody to cut their own hair. Like I couldn't get the back like I wanted or nothing. But we here. Peace.